In today's video, we'll be talking about how to write product descriptions that sell. We'll show the writing and thought process for a product in the kids' toys niche, but all the same principles we share will help you to write descriptions for any product in any niche. Hi everyone, my name is Alicia. Welcome to the AliDropship channel. Here we teach beginner entrepreneurs different aspects of the e-commerce business. With the AliDropship plugin, you can build a unique dropshipping store and automate most of your work and processes. Learn more here. Part of the dropshipping game is importing products from AliExpress, but there is a problem. Oftentimes, original descriptions from suppliers are unclear and hard to understand, and it's up to you to fix them. And we can help by walking you through how to write product descriptions that sell. Let's start with a toy you may be very familiar with. This plush octopus became viral on Instagram and TikTok not so long ago. Now, a lot of other options with different animals appeared on the market as well. So, let's imagine you decide to import it to your dropshipping store. But look at the product title. It's long and sounds weird and unclear. And here's the description. It's not awful, but looks kind of wordy, don't you think? Let's improve it step by step. Here we go. First things first, you need to take care of the product title. Most goods online you can dropship have long and unclear titles and descriptions, but you want to make it short and easy to understand so customers know what they are looking at. Right now, the title of this octopus plush says, 31 colors, plush, toys, double-sided, flip, octopus, dolls, soft, reversible, stuffed animals, toys, creative Christmas, gift, home, decoration. Way too long. So let's make it shorter and clear to understand. How about reversible octopus plush? It's much better, right? How did we come up with this title? We took the vital info for the item and cut it down for a title that is easy to comprehend in a glance. When trying to come up with a shorter and easier to understand title, remember to keep search engine optimization in mind. It will help your product pages show up in Google search results and attract organic traffic. To understand SEO, you can use Google Trends to see what terms people are using to refer to a particular product in their searches. As you can see, the title we came up with for the octopus plush is trending. Also, try searching for a similar product on Google. For us, the very first result for our toy uses the title Reversible Octopus Plushie, so it's another option for us to use as our title. Let's do the same thing on Amazon and search for this item. In our search results, we see Reversible Octopus Plushie or Stuffed Animal. Remember, to optimize your product page properly, you need to use your keyword at least 3 or 4 times throughout the page. Once in the product title, a couple of times in the description, and once per each meta tag. Our first suggestion for how to write product descriptions is to talk about benefits rather than features. A feature is an attribute of a product. What it does, how big it is, or what its color is. A benefit is what positive change or experience a user can gain by using said product. For example, this knife is sharp. This is a feature. Since it's sharp, it can easily cut fruit and vegetables with it, and that's a benefit. Don't get us wrong, features are also important, but customers tend to be more persuaded to buy when you showcase how an item can make their lives better. So, let's use this approach to describe our plushie. We'll start with the header. Instead of describing the toy's physical features, let's have some fun. See how different our revised header is. The benefit we used may not be seen as useful, but it appeals to emotions, which is good for this type of product. And this header is not only much easier to read now, but it grabs the reader's attention. Now let's do the same with the description text, assuming the target audience is young women. Here we cut down a lot on the original description and mostly replaced it with benefits. But we also mentioned some physical features, and it's mindful for SEO. Remember that you have to do it with all the products on your dropshipping website. If this thought terrifies you, try Celica plugin. What's Celica? It's a plugin that can automatically identify items shown in product images to generate titles, descriptions, and SEO tags. It's the power of AI. With this tool, you can create product descriptions for all your products in just a few minutes. It saves a lot of time and effort. This is what is suggested for our plush toy. Follow this link in the description to learn more about how Celica works. Now, the next tip from us is about the mindset you should use to help yourself create effective product descriptions. For our octopus plushie, we assume that our target audience is young women. We made this assumption because the octopus plush went viral due to girls using it to signal to their boyfriends whether they were in a good mood or a bad mood. But keep in mind, we can also target mothers who buy toys for kids. If we were to target mothers, we should focus on other benefits. Simply put yourself in your customer's shoes and think about it. The plush has two faces. So, how about the benefit of the toy being able to teach babies how to distinguish happy expressions from sad or angry ones? Sounds very attractive now, right? Make sure you understand your target audience. This is always a very crucial step for product descriptions. Do research, visit forums, and browse social media groups to learn more about your potential customers. One more example. If your product is an orthopedic cushion, you can think of multiple target audiences. Parents who want their children to stay healthy while studying from home. Gamers who spend a lot of time in the chair and experience back pain. Office workers who sit at the table all day. There's so many types of people to target. To increase sales, you can think of different product descriptions and promo campaigns for each audience. Here's another tip on how to write product descriptions that sell. Descriptions don't have to be boring or impersonal. Depending on what niche you choose, you can add varying personalities into your texts. Of course, not all websites are like this, but being more personable when you can won't hurt you. Write product descriptions as if you were talking to a friend. There are many tips on how to do it, but here's a simple one. Imagine you're one of those casual, relatable salesmen. Still having writer's block despite our tips? Remember the Celica plugin we mentioned earlier, our new AI-based copywriting plugin. It can definitely be something you can consider using, and it will help you write better product descriptions using its own algorithm. But if you want personalized assistance with your product strategy, you can ask our experts for help also. In the services section on our site, you will find our winning product and ad strategy service. This paid-for service from us gives you not only an edited product page with an SEO-optimized product descriptions, but also receive the images, videos, and copy for Facebook ads for the product, done by our team. Check it out with the link in the description. So, there you have it. Now you know how to write product descriptions that sell. If you have more ideas to share for great copywriting, feel free to comment on this video. We recommend watching an interview with a real dropshipping store owner next. Mary from Finland explains her dropshipping journey to making 10,000 euros per month. Mary started dropshipping when she was a student and took about 2 years to reach a stable income solely from her dropshipping business. How's that for some motivation? And don't forget to subscribe to the AliDropship channel to see new videos every week. See you soon! Bye!